Okay, this video is going to show you how the air gun are going to work on your soldering station. You plug it in and you turn it on, turn the dial. There's no air, there's no heat. The reason is there's a safety on it. You can put the gun to the holder and it's going to work. There you can hear this thing's working. Then you take it out and it's working. Alright. If you encounter the problem like the guns are not working, just press it to the holder and it will do the work. Alright, thank you. If you have any more questions, please email our customer service. We'll gladly help you.